Kaixo lagunok, Ani Bisuit pasaden urteko ezustekorik handiena izan zen zalantzarik gabe. 22 urteko neska honek bere estreineko lanarekin, Start Restart handurekin, kritika eta entzulegoa poltsikoratu zituen.
Zur eta lur utzi gintuen Malagako neska honen ahotsak eta nola ez, konposatzeko erakosten duen doaiak.
Eta ezin aipatu gabe utzi, bere alboan izan dituen lagunak eskenatokian, musikarik benetan apartak.
Gogoratu, gerozeago The Brandy Hipsekin itzuliko garela, baina orain adi egon, zuekin Ani Bisuit.
Guess I have to pick up my guitar once more and sing my last thoughts of our impossible love. Sing me a memory and I will sing along. Wouldn't like to forget the day that we became one. Mr. D made a decision by himself. Mr. D did not notice that I was there. Well, I was there and now my room is emptier and now it's too big for me. My bed is growing each day I sleep in it. I've danced alone in tears with your favorite song, and for that I wore the dress you like to see me in. Mr. D made a decision by himself. Mr. D did not notice that I was there. Well, I was there now. Mr. D made a decision by himself. Mr. D did not notice that I was there. Well, I was there now. Muchas gracias.
Donostiar laukote baten txanda da orain, The Brandy Hips.
Indie, garage, power pop soinuetan murgilduta, beraien lehen dabiziko iraupen luzeko lana plazaratu dute, We Are Love deiturikoa.
Eta lan hau aurkeztera etorri zaizkigu Durangoko plateruenara, beraz, ez gaitezen gehiago luzatu.
Hori bai, gogoratu datorren astean The Sunday Driversen kontzertuarekin gatozela, beraz, ezin dezu txik egin.
Beno, eskenatoki gainean ditugu The Brandy Hips.